Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking you inside a modern pizza factory to discover how fresh ingredients become perfectly baked pizzas from start to finish.
Every pizza begins long before it reaches the oven. Inside this factory, thousands are fresh ingredients arrive under carefully controlled temperatures. Maintaining quality starts the moment deliveries reach the factory. High-quality wheat flour forms the foundation of every pizza. Consistency begins with carefully selected grain. Every ingredient is measured with precision before production begins. Small differences can affect the entire baking process. Fresh vegetables must remain crisp and flavorful. Temperature control protects both texture and freshness.
Mozzarella provides the signature texture of pizza. Its quality determines how beautifully each pizza melts.
Seasonings contribute more than flavor. They create the familiar aroma people recognize immediately. These readings confirm the low moisture content we expected.
Excellent. We can clear this batch for production.
Strict hygiene protects every stage of production. Clean working conditions are essential inside modern food factories.
All ingredients are organized before manufacturing begins. Preparation keeps the production line moving efficiently. The raw ingredients are finally moving toward the first major transformation. Everything is now in position for the mixing process. Precision during these first moments influences every pizza that follows.
The ingredients are ready and the production lines coming to life. In the next chapter, the careful process of
Every ingredient enters the mixer in a carefully controlled sequence. Even the smallest variation could affect the texture of the finished pizza. The first stage of mixing hydrates the flour and begins gluten development. This early transformation lays the foundation for the dough's final structure. Mechanical kneading strengthens the gluten network. This process creates the elasticity needed for pizza dough to rise properly.
As mixing continues, the dough becomes smoother and more uniform. Every rotation improves consistency throughout the batch.
The dough is monitored continuously during mixing. Temperature and timing are carefully controlled to protect its quality. Some ingredients are added later to improve absorption. Precise timing helps create a softer, more workable dough. Once mixing is complete, the dough moves immediately to the next process. Gentle handling helps preserve its developing structure. Freshly mixed dough is transported under controlled conditions. Stable temperatures help maintain consistent fermentation. The dough now enters its resting phase. This allows the gluten to relax before shaping begins. Fermentation is carefully managed rather than rushed. Time allows natural yeast activity to improve flavor and texture. Inside the dough, yeast produces tiny pockets of carbon dioxide. These bubbles will later create the light, airy crust.
Regular inspections confirm that fermentation is progressing correctly. Small adjustments today prevent defects later in production.
After resting, the dough is ready to be divided. Accurate portion sizes ensure every pizza begins with the same foundation. The divided portions are now moving toward their final shaping process. Uniform spacing keeps production flowing without interruption.
The moisture levels on batch 4 are slightly elevated.
Yes, I see that. Let's adjust the humidity setting by 2%.
Before shaping, the dough is given time to proof. Controlled warmth allows the yeast to continue developing texture and volume. The proofing process strengthens the dough's internal structure. Careful control ensures every piece develops evenly. The dough is now shaped into its familiar form. Automated presses create consistent thickness across every pizza base.
Accurate positioning is essential for automated topping systems. Every pizza must arrive in exactly the right place. Automation applies the sauce with remarkable precision. Every pizza receives the same amount from center to edge.
Even sauce distribution improves both flavor and baking performance. Small differences can affect the finished product.
Fresh mozzarella is distributed with exceptional accuracy. Balanced coverage ensures consistent melting inside the oven.
Even sauce distribution improves both flavor and baking performance. Small differences can affect the finished product.
Fresh mozzarella is distributed with exceptional accuracy. Balanced coverage ensures consistent melting inside the oven. Vision systems monitor the cheese continuously. Automated adjustments maintain the same quality throughout production. Additional toppings are prepared in separate food-safe stations. Every ingredient is handled under strict quality standards. Automation places every topping in the correct position. Uniform patterns help create a consistent appearance and flavor. Different recipes require different ingredient combinations. Computer-controlled systems switch seamlessly between product varieties.
The pizzas are now fully assembled. Only one major transformation remains before they become ready to enjoy.
We're up to temp. Ready for the run?
Yes, looks stable.
Inside the tunnel oven, heat begins transforming every ingredient. Dough, sauce, cheese, and toppings will soon become a finished pizza.
The most dramatic transformation has now begun. In the next chapter, precise baking control and careful refinement will...
Inside the oven, carefully controlled heat completes the transformation. Every second of baking affects the final texture and flavor. The cheese melts evenly under constant heat. Controlled browning creates the familiar appearance consumers expect. The crust continues expanding as moisture turns into steam. This natural process creates both softness inside and crispness outside. Every topping reacts differently to heat. Balanced oven conditions ensure each ingredient reaches its ideal finish. Automated sensors monitor the baking process continuously. Small adjustments help maintain consistent results across every batch.
Industrial tunnel ovens use several heating zones instead of one. Each section performs a specific part of the baking process.
As the pizzas leave the oven, cooling begins immediately. Controlled cooling helps preserve texture and structural stability. Rapid but controlled cooling prevents excess moisture from collecting. This helps preserve both appearance and quality. Computer vision systems inspect every pizza automatically. Products that fall outside specifications can be identified instantly. Human inspection remains an important part of quality assurance. Skilled technicians verify details that automated systems continuously monitor. The internal structure reveals how well the dough performed during baking. Even air pockets indicate successful fermentation and oven control. Final cooling prepares the pizzas for packaging. Stable temperatures protect both freshness and food safety. Packaging begins long before the pizza enters the box. Automated carton forming keeps the production line moving efficiently.
Gentle handling protects the pizza's appearance. Accurate positioning also prepares every package for the next sealing stage.
Secure carton sealing helps protect the product during transportation. Every package is checked before moving forward. Protective shrink wrapping keep grouped cartons stable throughout storage and distribution. The packaging also reduces handling damage. Robotic palletizing ensures every shipment remains stable. Protective materials help maintain product integrity throughout transportation. The pizzas are now fully baked, inspected, and securely packaged. In the final chapter, these finished products will enter. Finished products are stored under carefully controlled conditions. Proper storage helps preserve freshness until distribution begins. Environmental conditions remain under constant observation. Stable temperatures help maintain consistent product quality. The internal structure provides valuable information about the baking process. Consistent texture reflects careful control throughout production.
Visual inspection ensures every pizza matches established quality standards. Appearance is just as important as flavor.
Advanced inspection technology adds another layer of protection. Automated scanning helps verify product safety without interrupting production. Every packaged pizza is weighed automatically. Consistent weight confirms accurate ingredient portioning throughout production. Automated systems immediately separate products that require additional inspection. This prevents quality issues from reaching consumers. Transport testing helps ensure every shipment can withstand normal handling. Stable packaging reduces the risk of damage during delivery. Carefully built pallets improve warehouse efficiency and transportation safety. Every layer contributes to shipment stability. After passing inspection, the pizzas move toward distribution. Careful logistics planning keeps deliveries accurate and efficient.
Did you cross-reference line 42B?
Yes, the digital record matches the manifest. It's approved.
Watch your left side. Okay, bring it in slowly. Got it secure back here?
That's secure. Seal number is 748.
Confirmed. We are good to go.
The manufacturing process is nearly complete, but one final stage remains. In the next, the pizzas have successfully completed manufacturing. Their final journey now begins through a carefully managed refrigerated distribution network. Regional distribution centers receive shipments from the factory every day. Temperature control remains essential throughout storage and transportation. Modern warehouses combine automation with careful inventory management. Every pallet is stored for efficient distribution. Customer orders are prepared with complete accuracy. Digital systems help ensure every shipment reaches the correct destination.
From regional warehouses, pizzas move toward retail stores. Careful handling protects quality until the final destination.
Retail storage follows the same temperature standards used throughout distribution. Consistent refrigeration helps preserve freshness.
The manufacturing journey finally reaches the retail shelf. Every package is presented exactly as intended.
Protective packaging helps preserve the pizza during storage. The product remains ready until it is selected by a customer. The factory's work is complete. The final preparation now takes place in an ordinary kitchen.
Careful factory preparation ensures the pizza retains its quality, even after transportation and storage.
Only a few minutes of baking remain before the manufacturing process reaches its final result. The final bake completes the pizza exactly as the factory intended. Heat unlocks the texture and aroma developed during production. From carefully selected ingredients to precision manufacturing, every stage contributes to this finished result.
To boards. Behind every finished pizza lies an enormous industrial operation. Advanced technology works together with
From premium raw ingredients to carefully packaged pizzas, every stage depends on precision, hygiene, and teamwork.